right, Hao Yu Lee will lead things off. We'll run through the rest of the lineup after his at bat. And the lefty will deliver a bit low, ball one. That's Major League debut actually came in 2020 as he's got a 1-1 count on Hao Yu Lee. After a strike call, next pitch misses, make it 2 balls and a strike.
Facing the Hens for the first time.
Yep, he's coming off a very strong start, swinging a foul back. And a swing and a foul backing out of play.
Worked his way. He can give him some quality innings.
As the 3-2 pitch, ground ball through the right side off the bat of Hao Yu Lee. Now the Mud Hens don't have to wait for a hit tonight, as they're going to get one here with the first batter.
Always a great sign to see the guys use the whole field when they're hitting, especially off of a left-hander. Used to always tell my right-handers, stay in the big part of the field, opposite way. Hao Yu Lee did it, and we're good.
And Max Anderson, the DH, coming.
They were, and especially with runners in scoring position, we got to cut down on the strikeouts. Put the ball in play, see what happens.
1-2 coming up. And that's going to be a line shot to left field. That's a base hit. Back-to-back hits to start the ball game for the Mud Hens.
So this is a great opportunity right here.
The 1-0 is going to be lined to left field. That's going to be a base hit. Stop sign is up for Hao Yu Lee. It's a good throw in. He would have been out at the plate. That was a good throw by Ryan Vilade. 3-2 pitch. And it's high, ball 4. Well, the scoreless string is done. An RBI walk for Eduardo Valencia to make it 1-0. And the Mud Hens, no homers. They just kept hitting it around. 37 pitches for Barnes to get one out. Takes ball 1. The second offering will be a swing and a slow chopper, but foul down the third ball. There's something new.
Yeah, that's impressive.
1-1 is driven high in the air, towering pop-up. It's going to be playable, though, out to short right fielder. Baez, the second baseman, will make the grab. That's the second out of the inning.
I just tell you, I don't know. It's kind of nervous. I mean, nervous because I don't know. I've had 33 years. I knew every 3 days I would go to work. Every five days I'd have a day off.
Last year for Louisville, he is no record, a 7.11 ERA, 5. And the 2-0 is chopped back up the middle, ranging to his left and knocking it off the glove is Levi Jordan. And they'll call that an infield hit. It's going to be tough to get him anyway.
Can't assume it.
That's true. And Max Anderson will come to the plate. So that's the second hit of the ball game for Hao Yu Lee. 2 for 4. Having a solid night at the plate. And Bennett ready. Pitch, ground ball, hit to second. Rodriguez grounds it right to Lee. Now I'm with you here. You've been talking about adding on a run somewhere in there. Now Louisville's got a couple. Make it a 9-2 game. Maybe you throw one up here, put it on the board, and it kind of ends the game.
Yeah, that last out was a big out in the last inning.
Good side of things. Swing and a miss. Lee goes down on strikes on 3 pitches. And the pitch will be a floater outside to Hao Yu Lee. 2 down. Yang trying to keep that perfect ERA intact. And he'll deliver
hard.
He does. Right up the middle, goes off of Yang. That should be a base hit, and it will be. So for Hao Yu Lee, that's his 3rd hit of the night. Infield hit. Max Anderson to the plate.